Are you looking for a powerful and reliable solar generator for 2025? Meet the BLUETTI Solar Generator Apex 300, the latest innovation designed to keep your home, RV, or campsite powered anytime, anywhere.
The Apex 300 packs a 2764.8 watt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery with over 6,000 charging cycles, giving you up to 17 years of reliable power. With 3840 continuous AC output and a 7680-watt surge capacity, you can easily run heavy-duty appliances like refrigerators, RV ovens, and even AC units. What makes this generator stand out is its dual voltage support. It delivers both 120 volts and 240 volts power simultaneously, which means you can charge your EV while running other appliances without any compromise. For flexibility, the Apex 300 supports solar charging up to 6,400 watts, fast AC charging up to 80% in just 45 minutes, and generator charging that's 95% compatible. It's truly built for any situation. Need even more power? You can parallel 2 to 3 units for up to 8.3 kilowatt hours, or expand all the way to 58 kilowatt hours with BLUETTI's B300K modules. This makes it a perfect long-term investment for off-grid living or emergency home backup.
And because it's built with BLUETTI's second-gen Life PO4 battery, it's ultra-safe, long-lasting, and tested in 33 extreme conditions for maximum reliability.
So whether you're planning for emergencies, outdoor adventures, or just reliable home backup, the BLUETTI Apex 300 solar generator delivers unstoppable power. Click the link in the description to learn more, or grab yours today.